Have you ever met someone and within minutes it felt like you'd known them forever? No awkward small talk, no forcing the conversation, no pretending to be interesting. You just clicked. And then there are other people. Perfectly nice. Perfectly fine. But no matter how long you talk, nothing ever really happens. So the question is, why does chemistry exist with some people and not with others? Why does one person feel instantly familiar while another always feels distant? And more importantly, is that connection random, or is your brain choosing it for a reason? Today we're going to talk about the psychology of chemistry in friendships, and why some people feel like home the moment you meet them. In part 1, we talked about romantic chemistry, attraction, desire, emotional pull. But chemistry doesn't stop at romance. Some of the strongest connections in our lives aren't romantic at all. They're friendships, deep ones, instant ones, the kind where you laugh too hard, too fast, and suddenly hours are gone. So what's happening there? Because this isn't just having things in common, and it's definitely not coincidence. We like to believe friendships form randomly. Same school, same job, same place, same time. But psychology tells a different story. Your brain is constantly scanning people for signals, safety, familiarity, emotional rhythm. And when it finds someone who matches your internal patterns, it reacts instantly. That feeling of, I don't know why, but I like this person, isn't vague. It's fast, it's subconscious, and it's learned. Here's something fascinating. Your brain is drawn to people who feel emotionally familiar. Even if you've never met them before, they might communicate like someone from your past, react to emotions the way you're used to, match your energy, humor, or silence. This is called emotional mirroring. When someone mirrors your inner world, your nervous system relaxes. That's why some people feel safe immediately. Not exciting, not impressive, just easy. Chemistry isn't just emotional, it's physical. When you meet someone who truly clicks with you, your breathing syncs, your tone of voice aligns, your body language softens, your nervous system recognizes this person doesn't require defense. That's why conversations flow, why laughter comes naturally, why silence doesn't feel awkward. You're not performing, you're regulated. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Not clicking doesn't mean someone is boring, or shallow, or not your type. It means your emotional systems don't align. Different pacing, different emotional depth, different ways of connecting. And your brain knows that long before you do. That's why forcing connection almost never works, because chemistry can't be negotiated. At its core, chemistry is about recognition. We're drawn to people who see us without explanation, understand our emotional language, allow us to be unguarded. In friendships, this matters even more than romance, because friends are where we process life, show our unfiltered selves, rest emotionally. Chemistry isn't excitement, it's relief. But chemistry isn't always healthy. Sometimes we confuse familiarity with safety. Sometimes we click with people who feel like our past, even when that past was painful. So chemistry isn't a rule, it's a signal, one that deserves awareness. So the next time you meet someone and it just works, remember, your brain isn't guessing, it's recognizing something it already knows. And that feeling? That's not random. That's chemistry. If this resonated with you, Part 1 explores how this same chemistry works in romantic relationships. You might see your connections differently after that.